scuffle ensued between members of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee Mpycc and Manipur police at the heart of Imphal city just few hours before the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Kangla today, as the Mpycc members protested against the Prime Minister's visit. The incident occurred at around 1 p.m. shortly after several members of Mpycc began holding a rally from Congress Bhavan located at BT Road, Imphal. As the protesters were proceeding towards the gate of Congress Bhavan by shouting various slogans against the Prime Minister's visit, large numbers of Manipur police personnel prevented them from proceeding further, resulting in a scuffle between the two sides. Speaking to reporters, Mpycc President Wahingbam Anand decried that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had remained a mute spectator for prolonged time despite the state being roiled, while asserting that Congress party lauded the Prime Minister when they initially learnt about his decision to set foot on the state after a long time. Anand maintained that they are now protesting his visit again as it does not reflect anything significant towards bringing peace and normalcy in the strife-torn state. Further terming the Prime Minister's visit as an insult to the people of the state, the Mpycc president criticized that the Prime Minister's visit does not emphasize anything about addressing the plights of the IDPs in relief camps and people of the state.
Amadi angang sing isa sing sida na sahi aniga thamari sida laiba sing nangai tabide adubu thenga lai haiduna Congress party na adugumati appreciate tawramani aduga maki khulak se yamna niti niyom ama mong mari nambai ta da bai ta CSO civil society myam ama unarakanda political party sing unarakanda amadi community sing leader sing unarakanda issue sigi solution ama purakna ba solution oriented visit oigadamne adubu masigi maki khongchat sidi Manipur miyangbu betray tawbani masi yaningde amadi masigi Manipur mai chakba Manipur se masi present tawbudi akoi Congress na hujik kangla da akoi changsil libasi